to defend yourself, your handgun does not go click. Hopefully it goes bang. Now the misfire is different from the hangfire. Anyone knows what a hangfire is? A hangfire occurs when you pull the trigger and, like before, the misfire, it goes click. And then about 10-15 seconds later, then it goes bang. Some people do some really stupid things with handguns when their gun goes click instead of bang. So if you pull the trigger on your handgun and it goes click, a lot of people will take their handguns and they will look down the barrel of their gun looking to see if there's still a bullet in it. A lot of people every year shoot themselves in the face with their own handgun because they didn't know what this ammunition malfunction was. So when you pull the trigger on your handgun and it goes click, there's a couple of possibilities there. You can either have a hangfire or a misfire. If you pull the trigger and your gun goes click, by all means do not obey those gun safety rules. Gun safety rule 1 states what? That includes your face, right? So how do you know the difference between the two, between a misfire and a hangfire?
Hangfire eventually.